This time we will observe yellow cucumbers under a microscope to reveal the truth. Well, this is the yellow color of the cucumber. The color and shape are very clear and detailed. Here you can see bright yellow and dark yellow, and there is a cucumber skin pigment starting to turn brown. Have you ever bought a cucumber that was fresh green, but a few days later, suddenly it turned yellow? You found a yellow cucumber while walking around the water. What's really going on? Is this a sign that the cucumber is magical, or is it a sign of danger? In this video, we'll thoroughly explore all the mysteries behind this yellow cucumber. So, watch it all the way to the end. So, let's answer the first question. Why do cucumber skins turn yellow? The answer is simple, yet powerful. It's a perfectly natural ripening process. Well, when this cucumber is left too long, whether it is still on the tree or already in our kitchen, it will continue to age and ripen. At this stage, the chlorophyll begins to break down and disappear. At this point, other pigments, previously hidden, called carotenoids, emerge, revealing their yellow color. This is the important part. The yellowing of the cucumber is a natural law, a sign that its quality has deteriorated significantly. The texture of green cucumbers is crispy and dense, while yellow ones are soft, fibrous, and sometimes hollow. The green ones are fresh and slightly sweet, but the yellow ones are often bitter. This bitterness comes from the compound cucurbitacin, which increases in levels when the cucumber is overripe. The seeds are small and soft in young cucumbers, while the seeds will enlarge and harden like wood in old cucumbers. So, the question is, are these yellow cucumbers still edible? Generally, the answer is no. Unless you find a special variety of lemon cucumber, which is actually lemon yellow when ripe. In fact, it should be harvested when it's yellow. However, there's a slight exception to the rule for regular green cucumbers that are turning yellow. If the yellowing isn't even and the texture is still firm, you might be able to salvage it by processing it. But remember, if any signs of rotting appear, such as slime, a sour odor, or a very soft texture, it's best to throw it away immediately. Don't try to eat it. Now you're an expert on the yellow cucumber problem. So, next time you see them, you'll know what to do. If this information is helpful, video. Share it with your friends and family. They might be wondering about this too.